Hello and welcome to the preference portal ahead of the Global European Marketplace 2025. Welcome back to our members who've attended this event in previous years, and especially to the brand new members or delegates attending for the very first time. At this stage ahead of the event, we will ask you to review, select and rank the counterparts with whom you'd like to meet. So as a reminder, you will be either attending as a buyer or supplier. At GEM, buyers will be seated and suppliers will walk the room. At this stage, we ask you to review everybody, your counterparts will be attending, and put them into your preferences. We're launching these today and they'll be open for the coming weeks, and we will be making sure that they are submitted in due time. I think the best way to manage this is to submit your selection of preferences now and then towards the deadline, because we'll be adding new delegates in as we go. So you are now accessing the preference portal, where we'll be asking you to select and rank, and your visibility will be based on your preference type. So as you log in, you will be able to see these options here, and you'll be able to see the full list of your counterparts by clicking search. So that will give you the full list. I'm currently signed in as a supplier from the UK, and there'll be different filters available for you to see. So you may just want to look in terms of the companies you'd like to see and the faces that you know. Each of these companies has a full company profile available for you to peruse, including a description as well as their specific objectives with attending this year's GEM. So every company has a detailed company profile. So you may be searching for an individual company. You'll be looking for buyers from specific origin markets that align with your business objectives, the type of buyers, the kind of products that they sell, as well as, particularly if you're in the UK, we are benefiting this year from a selection of VB hosted buyers. So if you just want to start your preferences with those, take a look at those. And then if you're a regular attendee at this event, you can also check out exactly who the brand new members that have been added to this event for this year. You want to search that and it will filter down this list. When you're ready to add them, you can send them over. Each side, the buyers and suppliers, will be submitting 15 preferences. These will be taken in combination in order of preference to come up with your provisional agenda. We'll then launch those provisional agendas, which will still have some availability on them, to then you'll have secondary access to your diary management, where you'll then be able to top up your list ad hoc with the people you've not been matched with on the first round of matching. So hopefully that gives you a good indication of how the preferences work. Any questions throughout this process, please just send them to events@etoa.org, and we'll endeavour to get back to you with the answers. But hopefully it's self-explanatory enough. There will be a number of exhibitors being added on tier 2, which are the marketing tables on the side of the room. But more about that in the next rounds. Thank you very much.